Hi everyone. So now I'm going to share with you one of my most favorite holds of all. This is one I start my day with, and it is so simple, you're going to love it. It's really great for seasonal allergies and for bringing down fears, phobias. It's good for a cough, anytime you have trouble inhaling, and anytime you wish to adapt to a situation. For example, right now, the whole world is upside down and we could certainly use this one. It also helps to prevent a stroke. And in such a case, I would definitely advise you to consult with your physician and not just rely on this hold. But in general, it will help to harmonize the body and help the inhale and the exhale and basically regulate the body so you don't end up in that situation. So what we're doing is we're holding the area of safety energy lock 22, which is right below the collarbone. And it's really at the junction point of the breastbone and the collarbone, which is, your clavicle. So I like to, you can either hold it, with each hand like this, or you can cross your hands and just hold it here. Where exactly, as I said, you have right where you have your sternum, your breastbone, and the collarbone, where they meet. You generally have two little indents in this area. Don't go to the one that is further away. Go to the one that's closer to the midline of the body. And by simply placing your hands like this, and you can be like this for 4 or 5 minutes, or you can be there for 15 minutes if you'd like. And I generally fall asleep when I'm doing this. I wake up and in my bed, I straight put my hands like this and I just leave them there. You don't need to massage, you don't need to tap, you don't need to poke, you don't need to do anything else. Just stay like this for a few minutes and you will yourself feel the peace and calm coming over you. And amazing, it's really amazing. It makes you feel like everything is going to be okay. No matter what the day brings, your response to it will be positive. You will be able to get through the day. So try it and let me know how you feel, and if you like it, then share this with others so that they themselves also can feel the benefit. Thank you so much.